I absolutely love to adventure. To get outside and see a beautiful sunset rising beyond the mountains, or lying underneath a sea of stars, just taking in every single moment, recognizing that the world is so big, it's so beautiful, and there's so many things I've yet to see. But something has been really bothering me lately with my choice of choosing an EV truck, which is I can't really get to the places I want to go to because the distance just isn't there. But with the Evotrex PG5, I feel like they've unlocked something I've been looking for to allow me to go discover the places I've always wanted to get to.
Hey, what's up guys, it's Chase, and I'm here at the Evotrex facility here in Los Angeles, touring what I believe might be the most incredible camper I've ever seen. It is the PG5. You gotta check this thing out. Everything about the PG5 just screams quality, especially when you take into consideration things like less than 25% of all campsites here in North America have electric hookups for RVs. Or even more crazy, that less than 2% of all national park campsites have electric hookups for RVs. But you know, sometimes I'm more about just the simple things like, maybe I just want a really good cup of coffee. Yeah, that happened. And when I say premium, I mean this thing has all the cool features, like a 2-burner induction stove that allows you to cook premium meals, as well as a microwave that has the ability to air fry. And look at this, a residential queen size bed, so you're not gonna feel just so compacted in here when you're sleeping at night.
The PG5 is all about aesthetics. It has this dimmable dial that allows you to turn down the LEDs when you're getting ready for bed, as well as it has this incredible skylight that allows you to see the stars while you're sleeping.
I mean, look at this. Look, it's huge. All the windows except for the skylight give you the ability to open them so you can still have access to the great outdoors. Look at that. If you're wondering how big the fridge is, you're gonna have plenty of space. And not only does it come with a fridge, it comes with a freezer, okay? To me, this is exciting. I mean, look at this sink. So one of the things I get the most excited about when touring a camper is its bathroom. And this bathroom definitely doesn't disappoint. Check this out. Oh my God.
The PG5 is all about space, and with its 6'5" ceilings, you're never gonna feel like you're compacted in while taking a shower. And something that's really cool about this shower is it has an instant tankless water heater, meaning you're never gonna be freezing while you're trying to bathe.
I don't feel claustrophobic in here. I mean, I have so much space to shower. It's actually insane how spacious this is. And look at these aesthetics. Oh yeah. Who doesn't love a good clothesline? Don't lie, you're curious about the toilet situation, and it feels pretty nice. Approved.
The PG5 also includes a 48-inch movable screen as well as a projector. The projector is really cool because it has these detachable wireless speakers that you can put anywhere.
You can also attach the projector to the bedroom, so when you're sleeping at night, you have that amazing visual experience as well, and the projector will go right up there. So the PG5 doesn't have one queen bed, it actually has two. The kitchen table, like most campers, folds down into another one. Probably my favorite thing about the PG5 is this incredible patio. Not only does it extend your kitchen, giving you incredible views, but it also allows you rear loading, so you can lower this platform to load things like your bikes or your kayaks, or have a nice little covered patio situation while you're sitting sipping your coffee. And this Evotrex camper is made to go far beyond the concrete. It has these incredible all-terrain tires that allow you to get basically anywhere. I mean, they've thought of everything. With outdoor water hookup and electrical outlets, you can cook, you can make coffee, you can basically do anything in the great outdoors. So one of the things I really like about the Evotrex PG5 is that they have this pass-through tunnel storage, very similar to the Rivian R1T, that allows you to store things like kayaks, skis, basically anything, but it makes your gear more accessible and easily stowable. Very cool. So behind me, this is what Evotrex is calling their Horizon system, and it is insane. It is the generator that's powering the whole entire system. This takes 20 gallons of unleaded gasoline that provides 225 kilowatt hours of usable energy. So the killer feature that you're gonna be hearing about the most is that this is the world's first supercharger on wheels, providing DC fast charging to something like a Tesla, right? That's insane. I drive a Tesla Cybertruck, and one of the things that I really wanted in a tow behind is the ability to get me further outdoors. And this piece of equipment, this PG5, enables you to go essentially as far as possible for as long as possible, and that's never been done before. So the PG5 is smart, and I mean like really smart. The whole entire brain is right here in this included tablet that you can just dock inside the camper to wirelessly charge it. Don't take my word for it, right? Check this out. Like magic, it's insane. And the days of having to manually crank and unroll your awning, those are gone too. How cool is that? I love this. And as you can see, it comes with auto leveling stabilizers to make sure when you're camping that you're just leveled out. And something that's really cool about the PG5 is that it has an incredible air suspension system that makes the towing ability far more premium. Things are not gonna be rattling around in your cabinets, bouncing around. It's just gonna be a smooth ride. So something I forgot to mention earlier is that this has a 60-gallon water tank, and it gives you 30 gallons to store your gray water, 30 gallons to store your black water. So you can live off grid for a very long time. So something I very much value about the Evotrex brand is their transparency. No other camper company out on the market tells you how they do the math on calculating how long you can live off grid. But if you go to the Evotrex website, you can do that with their embedded native calculator tool that will show you based on weather conditions how long you can live in each situation. So in total, the Evotrex PG5 is giving you 270 plus kilowatt hours of usable battery life. Their closest competitor, I think, is only doing 80. And don't forget that the included 1.5 kilowatt hour solar panels are constantly allowing you to rejuice and live off-grid as long as possible. So there are two models of the PG5 that are going up for pre-order January 6th, which is $120,000, which comes with basically everything, including the horizon, the power assist, and the battery. The only thing you're gonna be missing out of the base model is that incredible patio, which they're gonna be including in their premium version, which is called the Atlas. The Atlas is gonna be priced at $160,000, which you can also pre-order on January 6th. So that is the Evotrex PG5, and I'm so grateful for them having me out and partnering with me on this video. This video is not sponsored, but I really wanted to check it out because, man, let me tell you, if I can pull this behind my truck and I can be in the great outdoors, I'm gonna be very excited. So that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you here next time on Elevate TV. Peace.